Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babur Sidhu, Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force, concluded a highly successful visit to Sultanate of Oman, where he engaged in fruitful discussions with the civil and military leadership. The Air Chief was received with full military honours, underscoring the importance of the visit in enhancing bilateral relations. In these meetings, Chief of the Air Staff called on General Sultan Mohammad Al Nomani, Minister of the Royal Office of Oman, Air Vice Marshal Khamis Hamad Al Ghafri, Commander of the Royal Air Force of Oman, Vice Admiral Abdullah Khamis Al Raisi, Chief of the Staff of the Sultan's Armed Forces, and Dr. Mohammed bin Nasir Al Zabi, Secretary General of the Omani Ministry of Defense. The meetings focused on matters of mutual interest and bilateral military collaboration between the two countries. During this historical engagement between the highest level of military leadership of the two nations, Chief of the Air Staff said that Pakistan values its strong diplomatic and defense ties with the Sultanate of Oman, which are based on convergence on all important issues. He further highlighted that both the countries have always supported each other in testing times, and Pakistan Air Force is dedicated to continuing provision of training and support for the Royal Air Force of Oman, from basic to tactical level training to the aircrew of Oman. During the meetings, the leadership of Sultanate of Oman showed keen interest in National Aerospace Science and Technology Park, spearheaded by Pakistan Air Force, and expressed a strong desire for enhanced industrial and technological collaboration, recognizing the potential for joint ventures that would benefit both brotherly countries. The Omani leadership commended the professionalism of PF personnel and lauded the Air Chief's visionary leadership in enhancing the force's indigenous capabilities, which have significantly bolstered the defense prowess of Pakistan. The leadership of Sultanate of Oman expressed deep desire on expanding the existing Air Force to Air Force collaboration, underscoring the importance of joint bilateral and multilateral aerial exercises, exchange visits, and knowledge-sharing platforms to reinforce the operational synergy and readiness of both air forces. During the meeting, the exchange of pilots was highlighted as a significant opportunity for professional development, wherein pilots of both air forces will benefit from each other's professional acumen, expertise, and experience. Acknowledging the participation of contingent of Royal Air Force of Oman as observers in Exercise Industrial 2024, the Omani leadership expressed deep appreciation for the innovative multi-domain air power employment contours demonstrated during the exercise, particularly the integration of niche and disruptive technologies across the domains of space, cyber, and electronic warfare. Keen interest was also expressed from the Omani side in participating in future exercises with their own assets, signaling a commitment to joint operational readiness. The visit of Chief of the Air Staff to Sultanate of Oman marks a pivotal moment in the defense cooperation between the two nations, setting the stage for a future characterized by collaboration, innovation, and mutual growth.